Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at some photos I took on my trip to the north of Spain and Portugal. Photos I took with my Fujifilm X-T4, multiple lenses and the bright summer recipe from Fuji X Weekly. These photos are straight from the camera JPEGs. Some of the photos were taken in Combaro, a beautiful fisherman village from Galicia. If you ever go to the north of Spain, I recommend visiting this village for its unique architecture and amazing food. The rest of the photos are from my favorite city in Portugal, Porto or Oporto. I know most of you favor Lisbon over Porto, but I find it more relaxing than Lisbon. If you never visited Porto, it should be on your list. And close to Porto is another beautiful city called Braga, which was the best European destination to visit in 2021. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much for your support, and for those of you new to this channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also check out my lens reviews and Fujifilm tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe. The holidays are coming and the channel is reaching 3000 subscribers, so when that happens I have a surprise for you all, to thank you for your support. Enough chit chat, enjoy the photos and recipe.